Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Arctic Art minigame on Bloxburg. So just go in this area, press sculpt, and just press your left mouse button to click on these buttons. And you're just going to go one after the other like this. And you're just going to go as fast as you can so you'll earn more of these tickets. I suggest you going to like a place where there's a lot so you can go from one to another quickly, because the mini cutscene, it's not cutscene, it's just like the animation takes a while to load, as you can see here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now you'll get 2 times the ticket, so just play as much as you can right now so you'll earn a lot of tickets. I'm trying to save up for the train, but honestly I don't know if I can make it that far. Maybe if I continuously play these mini games, I hopefully can get the train, but if not, that's also okay. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!